today's lesson we'll work on our intermediate course, and here unit 10, compete or cooperate. First part 10.1, crowdfunding, and our goals here are talk about business and talk about how things are done, vocabulary and reading. And here we talk about business vocabulary. We learn new words in the category of business. Exercise 1, work with a partner. Look at the photo. What kind of company do you think Kickstarter might be? Discuss your ideas in pairs. Do you think it is A or B? Pause the video, try to do this exercise on your own. And now let's look at the possible answers. I think Kickstarter is a crowdfunding company, which means it helps people, it helps inventors, it helps business people to present their ideas to people and get investment from everyone, whether it's $1 and whether it's $100,000. And I think it's a company that helps entrepreneurs find investors, and that's it. B, it's not, the company cannot give money because it just connects entrepreneurs with investors. And exercise 2A, read the article about Kickstarter and check your predictions. Now pause the video, read the article and check your answers one more time. And as you see, the answer is A company that helps entrepreneurs find investors. Exercise 2B, work with a partner, answer questions 1 to 3. Pause the video, try to answer these questions in a written form. And now let's check the answers together. 1. What first gave Perry Chen the idea for Kickstarter? So 1. When he had to cancel a concert because he couldn't raise enough money to organize it. 2. What is the minimum amount anyone can invest? It is $1. 3. What does Kickstarter not guarantee? It's a profit. Money, more money back than you pay in. Exercise 3A, choose the correct option to make a business phrase. Pause the video, try to do the exercise on your own. And now let's check the answers together. 1. Raise money. 2. Share the risk. 3. Set up a business. 4. Present an idea. 5. Back a project. 6. Become an investor. 7. Find yourself short of cash. 8. Get funding. 9. Take out a bank loan. 10. Increase in value. 11. Give a guarantee. 12. Make a profit. Exercise 3B, check your answers in the article. Now pause the video, look at the article and check whether you found the answers correctly or incorrectly. Exercise 4A, choose 6 phrases in exercise 3A. Write a sentence, definition for each and read it to a partner. Can you guess which one it is? Pause the video, try to do this exercise on your own. Exercise 4B, work with a partner. Use the phrase above to write a list of advantages and disadvantages of crowdfunding for entrepreneurs or investors. And here the example is crowdfunding is an easy way to become an investor. Pause the video, try to do this exercise in a written form. Exercise 4C, compare your ideas with another pair. Grammar and speaking, passives. Exercise 5, work with a partner. Read the article Traveling in Comfort. Answer the questions 1 to 5. Pause the video after reading the article. Try to answer these questions in a written form. Now let's check the answers together. 1. What is a product or service? It is a kind of pillow which helps you sleep more easily. And 2. Who was a product or service aimed at? It's travelers. 3. How many investors backed the idea? It is 1,846. 4. How much funding did the entrepreneur get? It is $195,094. And 5. Has the business been successful? Why not? Well, it has been successful. Many people in other areas were also interested. Yes, they have made and sold over 5,000 and sent them to 52 countries. Exercise 6A. Read the information in the grammar focus box and choose the correct options. Pause the video and try to find the correct options. Exercise 6B. Complete the explanation in the box with sentences from the article in exercise 5A. Now look at exercise 5A and try to fill these gaps with sentences from 5A. And now let's check the answers together. Grammar focus, active and passive forms. We use active verbs to describe what someone or something does. And here example is Ali Ganjavian co-owns the design studio, or that people can pull over their hats. Ali Ganjavian admitted that they had no idea. We thought it would appeal to travelers and etc. We use passive verbs to describe what happens to someone or something. If you want to say who or what does action, we use by and someone. An example is the design studio is owned by Ali Ganjavian. And often the person or thing that does the action is not known, obvious, or unimportant. And here example is how beans were roasted, 5,000 pillows were sold. We also choose passive to continue talking about the same thing or person. An example here is a surprise Kickstarter hit has been the ostrich pillow. It has been backed by 1,846 people, and more are currently being manufactured. And as you see, we use active voice to give the person who is doing the action, passive voice most importantly to give the thing, object that the action is happening to. And if we want to give who did the action, we can use by, and we use passive voice when action is really more important. The object that action is happening to is more important, and or we don't know the actor. We don't know the actor, or actor is unimportant, or just simply obvious. Exercise 7. Add one missing word to each sentence. Now correct the sentence by adding words that were missed out. Pause video, try to do this exercise on your own. Now let's check the answers. 1. The ostrich pillow company is co-owned by Ali Ganjavian. 2. The pillow was invented in Ganjavian studio. 3. The ostrich pillow has been well designed. 4. You're protected from all sides by a soft cushion. 5. There are 2 holes which are located near your ear so you can put in earplug. 6. It arrived safely and it was packed well. Exercise 8A. Complete the sentences with the correct form, passive or active of the verbs in brackets. Pause the video and try to fill these gaps on your own in a written form. And now let's check the answers together. 1. Ali Ganjavian noted that people who travel a lot often get very tired. 2. Ostrich pillow was invented to help long-distance travelers. 3. It's a kind of hat that is pulled over the hat in order to take a nap. 4. So far, over $195,000 has been pledged by its backers. 5. In the first 3 months of production, Ganjavian's company shipped 5,000 pillows to 52 countries. Exercise 8B. Listen and check your answers. Now listen to the audio and check your answers one more time. Pronunciation, passive. Now here we learn how to pronounce passive voice. Exercise 9A. Listen to sentences 1 to 5 and exercise 8A. Mark the main stress, which is stronger, the main verb or the auxiliary verb. Exercise 9B. Listen again and repeat. Now listen again and repeat in order to improve your pronunciation level.
Audio 10.2. 1.
Ali Ganjavian noticed that people who travel a lot often get very tired.
2.
The ostrich pillow was invented to help long-distance travellers.
3.
It's a kind of hat that is pulled over the head in order to take a nap.
4.
So far, over $195,000 has been pledged by its backers.
Five.
In the first 3 months of production, Ganjavion's company shipped 5,000 pillows to 52 countries.
Exercise 10. Work in small groups. Student A turn to page 131. Student B turn to page 134. That's the end of our lesson. See you in the next lessons.